Hello to everyone. Hope you have a good day. This is Strictly Software. Today in this video we are going to speak about the basics of HTML. Let's get started. Today in this topic we are going to see about attributes. An attribute is an additional information about an HTML element. All HTML elements can have attributes. There are hundreds of attributes. We are going to see some of the basic. HTML. A. Tag, href attribute. Href attribute specifies the URL of the link. Possible link may be absolute URL, relative URL, link to an element, or a script. Before closing a tag we must include some text or source by which clicking them we can go to the required destination. If a tag does not contains href, then it is not a hyperlink. BR is a line breaker. It inserts a single line break. It is an empty tag, which means no end tag. IMG tag used to embed an image in an HTML page. It has two main attributes: src and alt. src specifies the path to an image, which is to be shown in an HTML page. And some commonly used attributes such as height and width attribute. Height of the image must be given in pixels, it specifies the height of an image. Width of the image must be given in pixels, it specifies the width of an image. Alt tag requires a text. It is used to specify an alternate text for an image. It is very useful in cases such as in weak internet connection or image failed to load. P tag also contains various attributes. We may see some of the basic here. Style attribute. It can be used to change the look and appearance of the paragraph, such as color, font, size, and more. Title attribute. It specifies extra information about an element. As I say, there are hundreds of attributes. It is impossible to cover all of them. So we can go by step for better understanding. We can see the above examples. After saving the file as .html format, we can now open the HTML file in the saved directory. I am sorry for the delay of the file. Now the file is opened. We can see the outcome of our HTML. On top there is a link by which we can navigate to our destination. In this case we see link to our video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Next we can see the image of our logo. For example, I am going to delete the source image. Now the alt attribute comes into play. We can see it in the browser showing the text. My logo. The paragraph is in red color as we have given it in the style tag. On placing the cursor on top of the paragraph we can see the title of the paragraph. Thank you students.